Yo, what is up guys? In today's video, I'm going to be explaining why the Draedon's Gauntlet Superstitious kind of sucks. So, let me explain. I don't mean sucks like it's awful and you should never use it. Sucks as in like, there's a lot better things that you can use instead. So, basically, if you guys don't know how it works, it's kind of like the Ore Illuminator, where it upgrades rapidly over time, and then it's done. But it can't be upgraded during these 8 seconds, or else it will be destroyed. So you have to wait until over here. I just put this here just because that's kind of where it stops. It's kind of funny. There's it's like a shout battle going on about me, but but okay. So it does about 2,800 multiplier, and that is very good. I'm not gonna lie, that's a very good upgrader. But think about it, guys. If you can fill up all this space with upgraders, would it be better? That's kind of what I've been experimenting with, and oh my gosh, and you can't really see it in the chat anymore, but I asked my friend, I was like, hey man, give me 5 upgraders, and he gave me some upgraders. So let's copy this. Let me remove the mine for now. Oh, hello, Mr. Lobster. 4 red banded boxes, nice. Let's move all of this over here. Let's line it up nicely. Let's put a Spitfire mine at the same spot. And let's see. Okay, so the ores are worth 54k over 5.7k. So you guys are probably wondering, oh, well you just used good upgraders. Well, in order to get superstitious items, you need to be sacrificed to a life 1,000. So chances are that you probably have some decent upgraders already. You're not just going to be using some like crappy ×2 multiplier item. You're going to have some decent upgraders at the time. And yeah, so if you do use a bunch of like ×2, obviously it's not going to be as much. It will be comparable, but it won't be as much. And another thing that is better about this is that it's actually faster. If you watch the ores go, they're a little bit faster than they go through on these basic conveyors. And obviously if you put a faster conveyor here, you're just going to need more because it's still going to be the same amount of time. So another thing that I'd like to do is actually, first off, let me count how many conveyors. It's about 12 conveyors. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to load in my reborn setup. If this ever decides to load. Alright, that's my money set up, and awesome. Alright, I actually do use the Draedon's Gauntlet in my setup because I just kind of found this out earlier. So, let's put this over here. Let's actually kind of clear this area over here. Just give me some space. And 12 conveyors. Put a tracker and a Spitfire. And let's just copy a random part of my setup, right? That's about the same length. That's about as long. And maybe this. Alright, so that's about the same distance. Yes. Put a basic conveyor here. And let's put a Spitfire here. Oh. And we'll test. So we're getting 52k, 500k. We're getting a lot higher of a multiplier, and it is way faster. So therefore, guys, I wouldn't tell you to never use this again, but I would tell you to experiment with something like this, where you can use a lot of upgraders and use a cannon in order to use them quickly and get a lot higher of a multiplier than using this. But yeah guys, that pretty much concludes the video on why the Draedon's Gauntlet isn't really as good as you may think it is. It is still good, but it's not as good. You know, I'm not going to tell you guys not to use it, but I am going to say that it's not as good as you think. But yeah, that concludes the video. Hope you guys did enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more amazing videos. Check out my Discord server in the description below, along with fan groups and fan shirts, all that fun stuff. But yeah guys, that is pretty much everything. Hope you guys enjoyed. Peace.